Hello dear buyer who is watching this video now. Welcome to our shop HytePro Technologies Limited. Today we're going to talk about our main product. Let's take a look. This is HytePro 5-pins magnetic electrical connector. Attracted by the magnetic force, actually slides into the socket automatically when the plug approaches the socket. For data sync and charging with anti-misplugging design, this makes it efficient and comfortable to handle and ensure proper connection. HytePro has multi-items of utility model patterns and invention patterns with rich product development customization experience. Provides customers with a variety of magnetic connectors, magnetic cable assemblies. There you go, guys. Tap the link below to learn about these products, or tap chat to ask me more information.